Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match preview time. We are back. The Betway Premiership is back. We are back in action. Let's see what this team has for us. No single player went to the AFCON. So we had all the time in the training ground. I expect to see a really good team performance and a result. We are playing against Golden Arrows, who've not been in fine form. One win in their last four. In the last five, they lost four and won only one. So this is a game we should win. As some of you say, we are in the title race. Yeah, so these are the type of games we should win. However, it's not going to be an easy game. I'm expecting a difficult game. They are a well coached team. They might not be doing well, but they're a well coached team. I think this is going to be a tactical game. Mangoba Mngqithi is a very good coach. They are playing some very good football, good positional football. I watched their game against Mamelodi Sundowns when they won 1-0. They could have won 3 in that game. Yeah, they created some very good chances. They were playing some really good counter checking football, but their decision making was poor. If their decision making was on form on that day, they would have won probably 3. Yeah, so it's going to be a difficult game. We really should be careful when it comes to the counter checks. In the team news, Bongiseni Mchecho out for the rest of the season. Bradley Cross is also out. So we are expecting some changes in the starting 11. Of course, Bradley Cross was the starting left back before the international break. Bongiseni Mchecho was the starting number 6. So both unavailable. So there should be some changes. This is a predicted starting 11. I've gone with in goal, of course, Brendan Peterson. On the right, Dylan Solomons is going to go back. He was the number 1 just before the international break. On the left, Paseka Marco is slotting there. Centre back pairing, Inaso Miguel and Zita Quinica. Again, they've been starting games. I think in the last 10 or so games, Aiden McCarthy has fallen out of favor. So they have been the two. Yeah, they've been the trusted two. So I think they're going to go back in the middle of the park. Chabo Cele as the 6. I demand to see him starting there. This is his chance. I just hope he'll be able, to catch the last season form. We need Chabo Cele at his best. As the number 8, Lewang Maboe has been brilliant ever since he joined Kaizer Chiefs. As the 10, of course, Tutuzi Shabalala, one of our best players so far this season. On the right, Mfundo Vilagazi. I think he would be very crucial in this game. However, I have doubts. I see them starting. Okay, let me not spoil it. Mfundo Vilagazi on the left. On the right, on the left, Asanele Velebai. Okay, the reason I'm having doubts, these men may put Claudine Lepo on the right, Pule Modi on the left, just because he contributes defensively. That's what I am scared of. But if they do that, they are proving to me why they shouldn't be Kaizer Chiefs coaches. They are not good enough. If you are going to play a winger just because of their defensive work, then mate, you are a coward. I'm sorry. Up front, Flavio Silva, our top goal scorer. He scored against Golden Arrows in the first leg. He's got 4 goals so far. So he's been our best number 9 in terms of output. So I think he's going back there. It was a difficult team to pick, because you can't check the recent form and whatever. So this is the predicted starting 11 I've gone with, and I'm going with a 1-0 win, Kaizer Chiefs win prediction. I think we're going to win this game. 1-0 is not going to be a high scoring game. They're going to defend really well. They can defend really well, and they can play on the break. And I think our defense has improved this season when it comes to defending counter attacks. It was one of our biggest concerns last season. We were failing to defend against counter attacks. We've improved in that aspect this season. So I see a 1-0 Kaizer Chiefs win. We need to win this game. It's that time of the season. where things will be clear. If you are challenging for the league, if you are going to get relegated, if you're challenging for the top 8, if you're challenging for a CAF Champions League, CAF Confederations Cup spot, it starts now. So let's go out there and grow the win. Make sure you smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.